In this video, we are looking into the Fiio KA15, one of the most anticipated DAC amps from Fiio. This is the successor of the KA5, priced at just $110. This is thoroughly opened by the Indian customs. I hope they haven't unboxed the item though. So let's have a look. There's a lot of bubble wrap on it. Now this one is one of the best looking DAC amps that is available in the market at this point of time. Irrespective of their prices, this is one of the best looking DAC amps. Keep no doubts about that. Sky blue, and this particular color looks fantastic. Do they have any specification? No, they have no specification on the box, but this one houses if I am not wrong, this one houses dual CS43198 and SGM8262 amplifier. Okay, so this one is not using a integrated amp, but using a separate amp. Let's open it up. Now there is something interesting inside the box. As I was checking the specification too, this one, if not the international version, the Indian version has something interesting. Looks like a cassette player. You guys can see these buttons too are chunky. They are fairly big. But the DAC amp is very small, around 2 inches. It looks beautiful. Look at this color. This particular color looks beautiful. Jade Audio KA15, modern lumber and everything. The buttons looks looks cute. This one looks very cute, to be precise. Very small and cute. I'm not exactly sure uh, how this will heat up because of the size, but this is all metal, and it has a display. I think maybe 0.98 inches. We will see, but this one looks very cute, looks nice. One can use a eyelet here. Let's open it up, and is there anything under this? No, nothing there. Born for music, that's what Fiio like to say. What else? We are getting a short cable. No lightning adapter anymore, because iPhone has moved on from lightning too. So type C to type C cable, and quick start guide and that kind of stuff. Let's have a look at the booklet. Quick start guide, if there is anything special. I do not think there should be anything special. Buttons and everything, display 4.4 and everything. Okay, so this is the interesting bit. I'm really excited about this, because most of the brands and DAC amps do not come with the case within the box, but Fiio has done something that we have not seen with any other brand. They have offered a carry case with their KA15. This one looks beautiful, beautiful looking DAC amp. I will share you the initial impression in a different video. So yeah, nice, very good feedback from the buttons too. Let's have a look at the cable. Externally braided, so this one will not fall apart within a couple of years for sure. Looks beautiful. And let me show you how to take the DAC amp out of the case. So there is one way of taking the DAC amp out of the case. Let me show you. Very good tactile feedback. Desktop mode, there is no need of extra external power for the desktop mode, but it will definitely drain a lot of power. It can deliver 560 MW per channel in desktop mode, but to save the battery one should keep it under control. So this is something for the display, and I will do the walk around within this video. I will show you the sound impression in another video. So this is the unboxing of Fiio KA15. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Let me show you guys what the KA15 has on offer when it comes to the display and the settings. Okay, so it comes up where you have left it, and I left it on the filters, and here we go. You can choose the filter you want to use. There are 5 filters. I have it on slow LL. That M button or menu button, I think, is what you use to scroll through the options. EQ, I have not used any EQ here. Okay, let me show you from close, up close. So EQ, volume. Okay, there are 2 modes, 60A and 120A. So 60 steps and 120 steps. Key mode A. DAC is on class AB. You can switch between AB and H. So AB is a bit more power hungry, while the H is less power hungry. So that's a difference. Balance, left right balance, channel balance. Mic enabled. Okay, so you can use a mic IM with this for gaming, I think. Enabled. SPDIF is off. I don't need that. UAC mode. UAC mode can be used to connect it with PSP and PS5, that kind of stuff. Brightness, well, that's a basic brightness, I think. There. Rotation. Now the one complaint that I had with the UA6 was the placement of the display. One had to use rotation, but with this one you do not need to do anything. It is in this landscape mode, and it is in the middle of the device, and one really do not need to play around that. So that is a great thing. Rotation, no need. Display off, 30 seconds. Okay, VNC display, I'm not exactly sure what is this VNC display. Theme. Okay, there are 5 6 themes, I think. 5 themes. So this is it. Theme I do not need. Language, it was on Chinese, but I switched to English. Version, I received a software update immediately after plugging it in. So I did a software update. It is on 1.0.2 at this point of time. Reset. Okay, filters. Okay, that's it. AQ off. I'll leave it here. So this is the small display. You guys can see, fairly small display. You get decent amount of information here. UAC2, born for music, the quality of track, and some information are available here. Volume is on 60 at this point of time. I have put it on full. So this is the walk around of the KA15's display. Let's have a look at the app. Okay, so this is the app. Display rotation is off. UAC2, language English. Brightness, power off. Display off. It is not power off, but display off. Okay, so here is the EQ. You can navigate the EQ and make your own. You have to click here. Equalizer is off. Turn it on. EQ. Custom, you can use 3 custom EQs here. You just pick one and go back. I do not need that. I do not use any EQ. So here are the audio settings. It's on class AB, volume control mode 60A. I'm not exactly sure what is 60A, and 120B. Maybe these are AB options. Audio, here is the volume limit of the audio. Channel balance is 0. I do not need any channel balance at this point of time. And here are the 5 filters. Okay, minimum phase, fast roll off filter. So that's it. This is the walk around of the app and the KA15. This tiny little thing has plenty of power at this point of time, priced at just $110, or you can say 10,000 rupees. As this is a high quality DAC amp that has CS43198, dual CS43198, and SGM 8262 amplifiers, and can go as high as class AB for amplification. And I am using the desktop mode for better dynamics and more power. So I will definitely post the uh, sound review of this tiny little things within a week, I think. And this is the workaround of Fiio KA15. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.